Hey, hi. So in this video, we're going to look at this app, Involio. We're going to see how you can mimic trends. If you are a person who is copy trading like me, who is interested in copy trading, I'm not a pro in crypto trading, and I'm just going to share my experience of using Invo. Okay, this is a demo account that I'm using just for illustration. Okay. Let me start with the part that I love most. That is actually mimicking trades. Then we shall go back actually and explain the different features in this app. Okay. So here when you see a trader who's doing well according to your standards, okay, you can let me see what I can choose. I feel let me just go with let me go to the trading. Let me kind of okay. Let me see who I can mimic. Okay, this is 51. Okay, let me do like mimic trade. Okay, so when you click on mimic trade on anyone's call, Invo brings you to this order execution screen. This is where the magic happens for beginners. First, you notice how this app breaks down the trade in plain English at the bottom. If you read this at the bottom, it says you're betting that stable will go down and have added 3 times leverage to that bet. The person you mimic has a win rate of 96.8, 96.86 over 446 trades. Okay, getting a total of 51%. Your trade will automatically close for an estimated profit if stable reaches that. Okay, so the app gives you a summary. It gives you a summary. You can adjust your leverage slider. You can set your own stop loss and pick exact position sizes. As you can see at the bottom where it says swipe, okay, you can press this order. As you see at the bottom where it says swipe up to deposit, you can actually place this trade without funds in your account. You can deposit capital into your Invo wallet. Select how much of that balance to risk on the screen, and any profits go directly back into your wallet when the trade closes. All right. So, so actually, to participate here, you have to of course, deposit some money. And okay, so for some of you who are wondering what actually this app is, and I'm going to take you to the start so that we go through the different features. Because someone maybe okay, you may know about this platform, but you may not really know what exactly it does, and pros and cons and all that stuff. Okay, for someone who is a beginner, Invo, which you can find on Google Play Store, is a social trading and financial networking platform that combines social media feeds with live cryptocurrency, forex, stocks, and options trading. Right. So in this app, as you can see in the trading section, you can really see different people really posting different stuff. Okay, so instead of a traditional isolated trading apps, Invo operates like X or Instagram, but specifically made for investors. For you, the beginner or the follower, it allows you to discover top performing traders. Okay, if you're like me, this is the reason why I came here. You get a chance to discover top performing traders, inspect their verified performance metrics with their trade setups, and manually mimic or mirror their positions. For experienced traders out there, this provides you a platform to share predictions, right? You can build an audience backed up by verified performance and monetize the market knowledge you have, all right? Now, in this platform, you're going to go through even how you deposit and all that stuff. Now, to deposit, you can fund your account using a fat card, purchases integrated via their payment partner, Transact. I think I've had Transact way back when I was still, I think, studying. I think it's started way back, I think 2008 or something, okay? So, but also you can You can perform direct crypto deposits using platform restrictions without you can do direct crypto deposits without platform restrictions. You can withdraw. um, Accounts and wallet features on Invo operate on a non-custodial framework. This means you retain control over your funds and you can withdraw your crypto directly to the external wallets, okay? Or off-rack back to the local bank accounts through Transact or connected exchanges. Okay, so we're going to really look at this app. Okay, so we're going to look at these tabs. So we have categories like trades in 2 moves, trading following our recent feeds. Every trader's profile card displays their lifetime win rate. Okay, for example, Juris win rate is 57 to 1 losses. Okay, to 1 loss. It also displays accumulative P&L 117. You get okay, displays active or cross positions. Okay. All right. Okay. So you can see also metrics. Okay. Hold time, entry. Okay. Entry and exit prices. Okay. So something like that. Position size. Okay, so the mimic button is a prominent action button attached directly to the trade tickets that let users replicate or enter the trade parameters on their connected broker or exchange setup. So you just have to, after seeing like someone who really has good metrics, you can just click on mimic. All right. So the trading is more of it displays custom updates posted by traders. Okay. Okay. You can engage. There is a like, there's a repost, just as you see actually in social media. You can actually even comment. All right. But for me, what I usually do is I prefer looking for people with blue check mark badges because this shows that they are verified accounts. Okay. And this ensures that users aren't tricked by impersonator profiles. So that is something that you have to consider. Yes, not everyone who doesn't have a blue tick is fake, but I feel safe when I'm dealing with someone who has a blue tick. Like here is Insider has a blue tick, so it means they verify their identity. There is this blocking this one as well. So I prefer kind of trusting people who have a blue tick. Okay, that is a heads up because anyone can really post, share trades. You can see here, you can share posts, you can share trades. So, but the verified people, it looks like they kind of offer their identity, so they are verified. Okay. So another thing I have to tell you is Info is not automated one-click copy trading. Okay. Invo displays live trade tickets, so you can enter trades, okay, yourself. You stay in 100% full control over your capital. All right. Now the cool thing is traders can't actually delete trade posts once published. That is a cool thing about here. So unlike on Twitter, on social media, on TikTok, where traders delete losing calls, Invo locks trade tickets on chain, preventing fake win rates. Okay, so when you post something, you can't really delete it out. So you can easily know the trail of someone. There are zero ads. I think I haven't seen ads. and I think there's no premium or whatever. So this is what like they have. Okay, so I just love the guys, the developers of this app. Seems like they kind of they're just really passionate about their stuff. Okay, so guys, that's it. You can see the people you're following, recent posts. Okay, so that's what I can say. And see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in app reviews like this. Okay. I just do reviews about random apps that I kind of use or that I find online. Okay. So see you in the next video. You can leave me a comment. Let me know if there's something that you want to know about Invo. Bye bye.